Festool have an incredible reputation for bringing out some of the best rated and reviewed tools on the market. They are keen innovators and of recent years have been focusing a lot on health and safety on the job site, especially dust extraction. Festool have reinvented the wheel countless times and have been improving on their dust extraction technology for over 50 years. And now they have an incredible range of dust extractors which are designed for every possible scenario and every different user. And with those improvements over the years, Festool have a system-based solution which combines tools, accessories, extractors and more, which gives you a selection that is tailor-made to give you the safest work environment possible. The dust extractor is the most important part of that system. Now, Festool have around 20 dust extractors at the time of recording. And if you're like me, you're looking at that and thinking, what's the difference? You know, and also, why are there so many? And most importantly, what one do I need? That's why I'm here to give you a rundown on the range and kind of explain in layman's terms what the differences are so you're better informed and you know exactly what you're after. Now, there are three main things to look out for. First of which being the size and capacity of each dust extractor. Then you've got whether or not they are corded or cordless. And then you've got whether or not they're L class, M class or H class. And this stands for low, medium and high risk. The majority of sites require a minimum of M class dust extraction just to keep you in the safest work environment possible. When looking at L class, this is going to give you 99% of dust extraction, and this is used for the likes of your softwood and for extracting sawdust. But then when you are looking at M class, now this is giving you 99.9% of dust extraction. This is more beneficial for the likes of hardwoods and MDF. And then you have H class, which is for very specific uses. This gives you 99.995% of dust extraction rate, and that is used on the likes of more of your toxic dusts, the likes of your asbestos. Now let's start with the smallest of the bunch, and this is the CTL Sys. Now you're looking at this and thinking, Dan, you just put a sustainer case out on the table. Well, it does look like that, doesn't it? But this is a small dust extractor that is designed to look like a sustainer case. So what you can do is you can integrate this perfectly. If you're on the sustainer system, you can stick this on top or in between the rest of your other tool cases. Obviously, with this being the smallest of the bunch, the capacity isn't going to be as big as the machines that we're talking about in a second, but this still gives you an impressive 3.5 litre capacity. This is going to be perfect for more of your remedial work, the likes of your painters and decorators. Moving on to the step up in terms of capacity, this is the CTM MIDI. Now you can also get this as the CTM Mini. The difference between those being only down to capacity. The Mini model has a capacity of 7.5 litres, whereas this model here, the MIDI, can hold up to 12.5 litres. You're getting a lot of nice features with this as well. You've got a touchscreen control on the front, as well as variable suction, so you can control exactly how powerful the dust extractor is when you are using it. Also, this is sustainer compatible, not the same as this model here, because obviously this can fit in between cases. However, you can stack all of your sustainer cases on top of this. Now, that's going to make it much easier to transport your tools to and from site because this is on wheels. So not only is it a dust extractor, it can also function as a nice tool storage trolley. And because this is designed to have tool storage on top of it, Festool have designed it in a way that is still easy to change and clean your filters, which is why you can access all of that from the outside of the system. The key feature with this, however, is that it is Bluetooth compatible. Therefore, if you are using another Bluetooth tool or using Festool's Bluetooth batteries, it can connect to the dust extractor. So as soon as you power up the tool, the dust extractor is going to power on as well. This is beneficial because how many times have you started making passes into your material and then realized, oh no, I've forgotten to turn the dust extractor on and now there's dust everywhere. That is completely eliminated with a Bluetooth extractor. Now with the CTM, there are a few variations. You can get both the MIDI and Mini corded or cordless models, so you can plug them into mains or you can have them running off of your Festool 18-volt batteries. Now, there is one difference though. If you're getting the Mini model, you can only get it as an L-class dust extractor. However, if you're picking up the MIDI, that's available both as an M and an L-class dust extractor. If you're looking for maximum dust extractor capacity, then you are going to want to turn to Festool's largest extractors in their range. This is the CT36 and there is also the CT26 available. Now the number specifically relates to the capacity. So the CT36, for example, has 36 litres of capacity. Unlike the CTM Midi and Mini, which were able to be operated both by battery and being plugged into mains, the CT26 and 36 are corded power only, and that is because these are absolute beasts and you need maximum power. You can get them though in both 110 and 240 volts. When working with this thing, you are getting flexibility as well, which is why you have 3 different filtration levels to control how much power you are getting out of the dust extractor. And when you are extracting fine dust, this actually has an auto cleaning system, to keep the machine working at all times. And with the CT26 and 36 models, you can get them available in L class, M class, and H class. So that's a rundown on Festool's dust extractors. Hopefully that has indicated to you which model you need. Now, like I said, these are all Sustainer compatible, and the CT26, 36, and then the CTM Midi and Mini are going to be perfect bases for your Sustainer kit. So why not grab yourself some brand new Festool tools with Sustainer cases over in the Festool kit builder. Just select exactly what tools you need and you'll be able to order it all together right now at ics.co.uk.